This is assignment 13 for ISIN 306. So you can see here that we created a database using SQLite, and then we created a cursor object to alter our database. From there, we want to create a table called assignments, but before we do that, we make sure to delete any table that's already named assignments. That way we don't have any sort of issues when we're trying to pull information from our assignments table. Then we go into multiple functions that we want to use for this table. First is the print assignments. This is pretty simple. We just want to print the title and description of every assignment on the assignments table. We simply use a select executable command to select the title and description rows from the assignments. And then we run a simple print to display the current assignments. And then for every row in our table, we simply print the first index and then the second. Then we close our cursor. This basically will print the title and description of our assignments. And if there are multiple assignments, it'll put each assignment on a different row. Next we have to create an actual assignment. We'll ask for user inputs, which is a title and a description. Then we will insert that title and description into our assignments table based off the values given to us with the user input. We'll simply commit our changes and close our cursor. That'll allow us to create an assignment. Next, we want to be able to also delete an assignment as well as create it. Again, just like the print statement, we ask for a single user input here. This time, we're just basing it off of the title. From here, we're deleting from the assignments table where the title equals our user input, which we call user search. We commit the delete and close our cursor. And just to be sure, we print assignments successfully deleted. Next, we need to export assignments to a file. This one was a lot like the print as well. We simply create a connection and then run a select executable statement to select the title and description from assignments. Simply create a variable export file, which opens assignment3 import.txt in write mode. And then for every row on the table, we simply write the index 0 and index 1, the title and description, with a new line. We then close our connection and the file and say export is complete. This is our show menu, which we'll show down below, as you can see here. It'll ask what you want to do, and we made 2 examples. We created 2 assignments, followed by printing those 2 assignments, deleting one and printing again to ensure that we actually did delete, and then we simply quit. We ran the export on a separate trial, and this is our outcome. This is assignment 13 for ISIN 306.